You're going to think it's a joke, but it's not. With this you can eliminate or reduce the wrinkles on your skin. Wrinkles are usually a big problem that brings age. Over the years, our skin loses its elasticity and natural tone. This results in wrinkles and lines and expressions on the face and other parts of the body. Especially the wrinkles in the neck area are usually a big hindrance to the look and beautiful dress. In this video we will tell you the final solution to this great problem. One thing we must keep in mind, first and foremost, is that it will be impossible to eliminate wrinkles completely. However, we can delay their appearance and reduce their visibility easily with natural remedies. Next, we will talk about one of them that will make it possible to diminish wrinkles in the neck and face. Beer yeast mask. First, we must understand that the skin loses its flexibility due to the absence of collagen. However, that is precisely what beer yeast gives to the skin. Preparing it is extremely simple. All we will need is 3 ingredients. What we will need: brewer's yeast 1 tablespoon, natural yogurt 1 tablespoon, wheat germ 1 tablespoon. Preparation and use: 1. All we have to do is get a deep container. In it we mix the 3 ingredients very well until obtaining a homogeneous substance. Apply this substance to the neck or face and leave it to act for 15 minutes. After that time, we rinse our face with abundant clean water. 2. This procedure has to be repeated 3 times a week for as long as you consider necessary. The result will be the reactivation of the organ producing collagen for the skin. Before long, you will notice how the wrinkles are gradually disappearing.